Place the Reflex on a flat surface. Open the chamber, remove the foam, cleaning box, and build platform. Reflex accessories are as shown. Plug in the power cord and turn it on. When the screen turns on, check the setting icon and select the Wi-Fi. Enter the password to connect. Remove the resin tray to confirm the frame and release film are intact. Remove the film from the screen to make sure the screen is clean. Hold the resin tray with 2 hands and insert the convex side into the print chamber. Lock both sides of the resin tray onto the printer. Ensure there is no space between the base and the tray. Place the resin level detector and the temperature sensor on the upper left of the tray. Insert the build platform onto the printer. Lock it and close the chamber. Place the wash unit on a separate flat surface. Plug in the power cord and turn it on. Place the cure unit on a flat surface. Place the rotating base into the cure. Plug in the power cord and turn it on. Visit Blueprint Hub. Address differs in regions as shown. Create a Blueprint Hub account. Fill in the username and select a time zone. Enter an email address and password to create an account. Once complete, log in with your email, password, and verification code. Click the setting icon on the printer screen. Click About Device to check the SN. Click Add New Device on Blueprint Hub. Type in the SN of your printer to pair. For mobile, download Blueprint Go from the App Store. Click the setup icon on the wash unit. Rotate knob and press to select the Wi-Fi setup. Open Blueprint Go and click the plus icon. Select Connect Device via Bluetooth. Select Wash XXXX to pair. Follow the in-app instructions to connect to Wi-Fi. Once complete, press and hold the knob to go back to the main page. Follow the previous steps to pair the cure unit as well.